Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and basic responsiveness. Plug the adapter in and watch the adapter LED. If nothing lights, hold power for 10 to 15 seconds to force a restart. Once done, press the BIOS/UEFI key immediately to see post status and device recognition. This tells you if hardware is seen. Make sure to note any beep codes or diagnostic LEDs. They explain the underlying fault. If the screen stays black, test with an external monitor right away to separate display versus system failure. You'll open the chassis and work methodically. Power off, unplug, and ground yourself. Remove and reseat RAM modules and the SSD/HDD. Bad contacts cause many faults. Once reseated, try booting. If it fails, create and boot from USB recovery media to determine whether the machine can run independent of the installed OS. If hardware still misbehaves, reset the CMOS or BIOS by removing the coin cell or using the jumper. Then enter BIOS to restore defaults. These steps isolate component versus firmware issues. You finish by targeting the failed component. Swap in a known good adapter, RAM stick, or drive to confirm the culprit. Once hardware is verified, back up any accessible data and perform an OS reinstall only if necessary. This prevents needless work. If a component replacement solves it, make sure drivers and firmware are updated immediately. If problems persist, document symptoms and error codes and contact support. Troubleshooting tip: always replace or test one part at a time so you can identify which change fixed or worsened the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.